morning, sir. My name is Anuj. I come from this organization called ISEC. We are basically present in 118 countries and we have a membership of 40,000. We host around 750 conferences in a year and we do 18,000 exchange also.
As was already mentioned, in this video we will cover your basic sales pitch. You have already seen an example of a bad sales pitch. There was too much information covered, too many stats produced without conveying the actual essence of our organization, and no real material about what ISEC does or why we do it. Ideally speaking, you must use the golden circles approach, which is the why, how and what in that order. If you look at the slide right now, it is a screenshot from your corporate proposal for IGIB. All you have to do is stick to that very flow. Our why is our vision. Remember that you need to convey this in a manner that does not seem too jazzy, but at the same time makes sense to the client. Second, you move to how. This is where you mention our impact model and how we aim to deliver leadership to the world. Thirdly and finally, you cover what. Now this is covered later on in the video, but this is the basic flow that you need to cover while presenting your sales pitch. Remember, not too many stats, and even if you do mention stats, it is always with the aim of conveying the essence of ISEC.
Hello sir, good afternoon. My name is Dhruv and I come here from ISEC. Have you heard about ISEC before? ISEC is the world's largest leadership development organization for the youth in the world. We, through our international platform, enable young people to explore and develop their leadership potential for them to have a positive impact on the society. This is done through international internships in over 124 countries with a workforce of 86,000 young people.
Now, something about the organization I've already told you. Could you please tell me something about your organization?
Always be prepared for an appointment. Never walk into an appointment not knowing what you're going to say and with a mindset that you can figure out what you want to say during the appointment itself. This is the importance of the pre-sales process, which we covered in the first Wolf of Wall Street. So we hope that you have completed the challenge and understood everything that we had covered in that lesson. Always be polite, talk to the client on a level playing field, but at the same time do not disrespect the client. The very fact that you are not prepared for a sales appointment conveys that disrespect. Make sure that you know exactly what value propositions you are there to present to the client, and also make sure that your language is regular and focused.
So I was reading about your organization and I found out that you are the largest marketing solutions provider to some of the biggest companies in the world. And your outreach and your client base is exactly like ours. So I was hoping you can tell me more about your next projects and the future projects you will be working with.
Basically, we have a program called the Global Internship Program where we bring down international students in India. So we basically provide HR solutions for companies who are looking for global talent. You must be wondering why to take a global intern. Imagine a global intern working in your company. He can add a lot of cultural diversity to your office. He can also, a lot of other companies also, sir, for example, your competitors in the market, they have already taken these type of interns. Excuse me, sir, one second. I'm sorry, sir. So yeah, like I was mentioning, a global intern can add a lot of cultural diversity to your office, we are very cost effective. So we basically get an intern at a very minimal cost. Sir, can I take this? I'm really sorry, sir. Actually, one of my friends just met with an accident, so basically, like I was telling you, a global intern can add a lot of cultural diversity to your office, and at the same time, it's very cost effective. So you can, we give you the ability to choose the intern based on what you require. So
one of the very basic rules of doing a corporate appointment is to put your phone on silent before going in. Don't just put your phone on silent, but also never ever take out your phone to reply to a message or email or a WhatsApp text when you are doing an appointment. This shows severe unprofessionalism and the client will not take you seriously post that, no matter how well you recover. Now, while you are addressing the issue of why the client should take global talent, do not just address the value propositions of a multicultural environment and a cost-effective solution. These are cliched and overused sales pitches to sell the IJIP program. Always make sure that you are conveying how a global professional will impact the environment in the company and also foster better performance. If possible, also try and mention tangible outcomes that an intern may have in the specific activities of the company. If you know that a company is expanding to several countries in Europe, mention that you will be able to source interns from Europe, thereby making their expansion process much simpler and much more effective just by having someone from those very countries in their local office.
I have actually analyzed through a report that 48% Indian employers have repeatedly found difficulties in filling specific jobs. This brings me to our product, the Global Internship Program. For the past 65 years, our organization has been providing young global talent for professional internships that develop them into leaders for tomorrow and at the same time create a greater impact on your organization and the society as a whole. That brings me to another question, sir. Where have you faced the maximum difficulties in fulfilling any specific job roles? We bring down international interns, which bring a global perspective. They understand international markets, they think out of the box and push your employees to become better. They're committed and focused and professional, and above and beyond, they actually speak a specific language and specialize in a particular skill that could be of great value to your organization and your future project.
Since we are present in 118 countries, we can bring down an intern from those countries who fit in your requirement completely. So our interns, the interns that we have to offer are, why would you take an intern from ISEC? So just let me tell you, first we are very cost effective. So throughout, for the entire process, if it's a 4-month internship, then we just charge 8,000 rupees. And if it's a for our web portal, which is called myisec.net, which is where we have all the EP profiles and everything put up over there. So that is how we've sourced down series to bring down interns for you. So we basically select all the best CVs possible and then we forward it to you. And then you have the option of choosing from those CVs based on your requirement. Okay. So the other services that we provide, we basically take care of all the visa issues and we make sure that the intern is inducted over here well. And at the same time, just to give more about the videos, we basically have 4 types of internships. We have a marketing internship, we have IT internships, we have teaching, and we have business administration. So within these internships as well, we have further job roles that you can choose from, about which I'll be sending you a follow-up email, and all the documents will be mentioned in that as well.
When you are trying to tell the client why they should choose ISEC for their global talent sourcing, it is very easy to over-mention the cost effectiveness of the product as well as how you will deliver to their specific requirements. Always try and present a holistic solution to what their problem is and how ISEC is the best partner for them to service this requirement. Present the solution in such a way that it is a co-delivery between the client and ISEC. Do not mention technical jargon such as EP or TN, and mentioning myisec.net to a client is simply irrelevant. If you look at the presentation, again you will find very simple, crisp things to say in your sales appointment. You can also try and convey credibility of ISEC after you've told them about what we aim to do as an organization by mentioning some of our partners such as Tata, DHL, Coca-Cola, Microsoft and so on.
Why you should choose ISEC? You should choose ISEC because we provide you with the right kind of global environment in your office, right by providing you an intern, talent in your office for your specific requirements. Beyond this, you can choose your intern to your customized selection process, which we will make and prepare for you. We also prepare the intern and induct them to become as a local employee. We assist with the visa, documents and other logistics that the intern might require. all of this at a minimal effort and cost to your organization.
So that brings us almost towards the end of our appointment. And it was a really good time talking to you. It was a pleasure talking to you. And I hope we will meet soon. And I'm sorry I forgot my card this time. But I'm sure I'll send you an email if I can have your card. I'll send you an email with all the details, and then we can follow up on the email after it.
How you close a deal is probably one of the most important parts of your sale. Always remember to set a structure for follow-up in your appointment and also convey timelines for which you will be getting back to the client. Always carry your business card as it conveys that professionalism. Also end on a high note so that your client is so much more motivated towards buying your product and towards engaging with you on a larger basis. Also end on a high note so that your client is so much more motivated towards buying your product and towards engaging with you on a larger basis.
I can completely see an international ISEC intern sitting right in your office at complete and great value to your company and the projects he or she will be working for. So let's meet again at 5 PM tomorrow and actually finalize the deal which is mentioned here on this proposal. Can I have your card? This is mine.